In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Printful to Ecwid. This integration is a seamless way to streamline your online retail operations by linking these two platforms, allowing you to manage your e-commerce store efficiently. The process is quite straightforward and should only take about 5 minutes. Firstly, it's important that you already have a Printful account set up before you're able to proceed with the integration. If you haven't done that yet, make sure to create an account on Printful's website. Once you're ready, let's dive into the integration process. Next, head over to Ecwid's website at www.ecwid.com and log into your account. If you're new to Ecwid and need to set up an account, make sure you have that sorted first. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your Ecwid dashboard, a centralized hub where you can manage your online store activities. Here, look for the Apps section, which can be found in the navigation menu. Click on Apps and it will lead you to the App Market. This is where Ecwid offers a variety of applications that can be integrated to enhance your store's functionality. In the App Market, you'll find a search bar. This is your quick access to the vast array of apps that Ecwid supports. Type Printful into the search bar and press enter. When you see Printful show up in the search results, click on it to proceed. The next step is to install the Printful app. You'll find an Add button that you need to click on, which will begin the installation process. This step is crucial as it links Printful's services with your Ecwid store. Once you've added Printful, the next vital step is connecting your Printful account to Ecwid. If you're still logged into your Printful account or have your login credentials handy, you'll be prompted to complete this connection. It typically involves granting necessary permissions for Printful to access your Ecwid store and synchronize data between the two platforms. This might include product details, order history, and more, ensuring that Printful can fulfill orders made through your Ecwid store. After setting up this connection, you may be asked to authorize the integration. This is simply granting Printful permission to integrate smoothly with your Ecwid operations. Carefully review the permissions being requested to ensure that you're comfortable with the level of access you'll be providing. With these permissions granted, Printful can now work harmoniously with Ecwid, giving you the capability to manage order fulfillment directly via your Ecwid interface. And there you have it, your Printful account is now connected to Ecwid. This setup allows you to take advantage of Printful's robust fulfillment services, to streamline your e-commerce operations and focus on growing your business. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful in connecting Printful to your Ecwid store.